Why does water form drops? What happens in this world always happens because of some reason. Even water droplets are not an exception. As we know, water consists of H2O, where two hydrogen molecules are positively charged and oxygen is negatively charged. As we know, opposite attracts each other, so water attracts more water to it and forms big droplets. In water, hydrogen bonding is much strong. These water particles, along with the interface between air and water, attract strong cohesive forces. So in a water droplet, surface tension works, and as a consequence, it can change its shape as per surface level. You can witness this fact if you see water droplets on any smooth leaf like lotus leaves. Water takes the form of a droplet not occasionally, but even at the time of falling from a tap. It forms droplets, and when a drop exceeds a certain standard size, it falls after detaching. On such water droplets too, surface tension works. Why do we boil milk before use? Studies done on why we should boil milk before use reveal that after boiling milk, germs in it get killed. Hence, boiling milk is always a good deed for humans before using it. Not only this, boiling milk in a steel container will not allow the starch in the milk to be finished. Thus, the milk maintains its quality for a long time. On the other hand, if one does not boil milk, the presence of germs in milk can harm the drinker and can also lead to serious diseases. Milk is good for bodybuilding and good growth. Everyone should prefer hot milk. Experts in labs do experiments all the time. Their observations say that milk should be boiled before using at least 5 to 10 minutes earlier, and also for a day nearly 2 to 3 times. Hence, boiling milk is always an efficient thing to do before using it. Why do we need spectacles to see? In case of eye defects, each individual needs to wear spectacles or specs. They are called specs because of the main reason that they contain lenses. Lenses in the specs are also of two types. Convex lens is for the myopia treatment of the eyes, which is the inability to see things which are far away. On the other hand, concave lens is used for hypermetropia treatments, which is the opposite of myopia. Specs are very useful to them in day-to-day life. Apart from that, they are useful while reading books, traveling, and all other related work. Specs protects eyes from the dust and dirt around the environment. It is the duty of every eye doctor to prescribe for specs quickly if somebody is having any sort of eye defect. There are sunglasses as well, which protect from ultraviolet sun rays, but they are trendy and only suit for the good looks. But for seeing, specs with lenses are always needed. Why do we prefer cow's milk? Although there are thousands of people who use many animals' dairy products including milk, there are millions of others who prefer cow's milk to other types of milk. This is due to the health reasons and the numerous benefits. Cow's milk is rich in calcium, which is the most essential element for the health of bones and the body. Calcium also protects cells from harmful cancer-causing chemicals. It also prevents headaches and the PMS symptoms during menses. Cow's milk contains gout, which helps fight arthritis and also has lots of protein, which is very important for the body. Cow's milk has vitamin B2 and vitamin B12, which are the energy providers to the body. Iodine, which is an important mineral for the proper function of the thyroid hormones, is found in abundant in cow's milk. It prevents the formation of kidney stones in the body and also plays an essential role in producing red blood cells.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.